Oh yeah, police story, the light. Too long, the story. I was sick, I get injection. I was day and night shooting. Daytime I'm filming Heart of Dragon. Nighttime I'm directing my own things. We built our own channel light. Then we put the wire, we put the electricity to light up the light. Before I jump, the lighting guy said, sorry, the battery cannot light up the whole thing. We have to use the building battery. I might get shot, but don't worry, we watch you. Anything happens, we shut off the light. You look down, nothing, no Apple box. I just use a small prop car with a million candy to save me landing. That's all. Then I just sit there, then suddenly my stunt guy, we're ready. Then he put something in my pocket. Okay, then he run away. Then I take my pocket, they have something like lucky, Puda things. He know I don't believe these kind of things. Then okay, put it back. I don't have the time to run like 8 feet. I have to standing here like the round pool, no balance. I said, anytime you see I knock my hair, rolling the camera. Then I go up, then I come down. It's scared, really scared. I just ordinary people. I'm not a Superman. And somehow I see the drop, the sweat. Then I look at the camera. There's a cameraman up there already 2 hours. I said, okay, take a rest. Get off your sweat. Then I get off the sweat. Then I go up. Are you okay? Yeah. Then I just do this. One of the stunt guys, rolling. I said, huh? Then you just hear 15 camera rolling. 15 camera. I think it's the record at that time. We only have a 400 feet. You're not gonna jump? Gone. 75, 45, 120, normal speed. Wow, the whole entire shopping mall quiet. You only hear this machine. Then I think I'm gonna die. Yeah, I just boom. I jumped down. And I said, wow, safe landing. I grabbed my stunt guy, do this. Then he said, he called my big brother, I'm gonna die, don't hit me anymore. Because I'm so exciting. The power, I don't know where the power come from. Then I turn around, I see 600 extra, and I just, to the thing, I hit myself, blues. I just, Then I see all my hand, the skin pale. Then 6 o'clock we finish. Then we drinking a beer, celebration. Then I go to Dragon Heart. Get out of the car, sleep, drive to the location. Then, yeah, big brother, we are on the location. I get up, I cannot open the door. My hand just like this. It's over. All the energy are gone. Then I get off the car. The whole body was no more power. I think in that time, in 1 second, I used all my power. Yeah. I go down, almost fainted. Like, we're glad we don't have like a sound recording at that time. We dub later. Then he picked me up. Speed dialogue, speed. Otherwise, we have to do it again. Actually, I just go, boom, I just fainted.